In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Capital One virtual card on an iPhone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a Capital One virtual card on your iPhone, including inputting it into your Apple Wallet, is extremely simple. All that you have to do is use the latest version of the Capital One mobile app. It is through the mobile app where you can find all the virtual cards attached to your account and make sure that they are all valid, working, and that you can link them to an Apple Wallet through there. So inside of the app, tap on any card that you own, and after you scroll down in the settings, you will be able to find the virtual card options. Usually it is going to be at the bottom, but as you can see, for this specific Venture X card, it is at the top. Regardless of the position of the setting, just find the virtual card settings and tap on View. Immediately, all of the details about the card will be displayed for you, so the card number, the expiration date, and the security code. And as you might assume, these information is enough for you to go ahead and start making online purchases. So just note down the card number, expiration date, and security code, and you can input the details at any website. As long as you have the balance on your account and the card is unlocked, you will be able to start making purchases online. Alternatively, like I said in the beginning of the video, if you wish to make purchases in store or contactlessly, all that you have to do is gather all of the information and input those into your Apple Wallet. So open Apple Wallet and in there tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. This will give you the option to add a new debit or credit card, and through that window you can input the details about the Capital One virtual card. So input the card number, expiration date, and security code, and now you can use Apple Pay to make contactless payments. Simply hold your phone near a card reader, and as long as your phone has NFC capabilities, you will be able to pay using the Capital One virtual card in store. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Capital One virtual card iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.